Tommy stared in awe, puzzlement, excitement, but most of all, he was just very curious about this mysterious box laid in front of him. What was in the box? This mysterious box. Every thought was about the box. Inside was a mystery to Tommy, and it enveloped his brain, his mind, his consciousness. His mind raced, thinking of what was in the box. What's in that damn box, he thought. He shouted internally. He stared at the box like his life depended on it, like the wives of the entire human fate. It was a beautiful box. Inside must be the greatest thing ever. It just had to be. But what was it? Tommy just stared ahead. He grew more and more eager the more he looked at the magnificent, white, pure box. He noticed every small detail of the box, from its acute angles to its fine edges. What is inside the box? His curiosity was rising fast. He finally moved towards it. He was going to open the box. There was no doubt about it. See all the glory of the inner box, this inner sanctity, untouched by mankind, untouched by the horrors that it can do. But Tommy hesitated. Was he ready? Was he worthy? All his life he was this middleman, this worthless middle-class man who was lost in the haze of people and the world. Was he worthy? He was confused. This could be the most important moment of his short life, changing him, making him into someone great. He trembled. He kept hesitating. What was in the damn box? Anything in the grand universe could be in it. Maybe something completely new. Something that can just amaze. The greatest discovery in human history, possibly. Something that can change the course of humankind. Tommy actually started to get nervous. This box, he trembled more. This box, eyes moved all around the back of this box. Scanning every inch, he grabbed, slide open. What's in the box? He's not ready. This box. Excitement at its peak. He moved in again, nervous. Tommy opened the box. Amazement, absolutely beautiful. Then realization. What? It was okay? Disappointment came to Tommy. Is that all? Is that all this mighty box had to offer? Just what was in the magnificent box?